Using a Breath Actuated Inhaler. Let's review the key parts of your Breath Actuated Inhaler. Inhaler cap. Inhaler vent. Mouthpiece. Dose counter. How to use your Breath Actuated Inhaler. It's best to start sitting up or standing. Hold the inhaler upright. Avoid covering the vent. You do not need to shake or prime a Breath Actuated Inhaler. Open the inhaler cap. Your inhaler is now ready to use. If you open and close the cap without using the inhaler, the dose will be lost. Turn your head to the side and breathe all the air out of your lungs. Do not breathe out into the mouthpiece. You will lose some of the medication. As soon as you breathe out, close your lips around the mouthpiece. Take a deep breath in. After the deep breath in, you can remove the inhaler. Hold your breath as long as you can, up to 10 seconds. Breathe out slowly through your nose. Wipe the mouthpiece with a paper towel if needed and close the cap after each use. If directions say to give a second dose, wait 1 minute before repeating the steps. Waiting helps the medication work better. Now, let's put it all together. Open the inhaler cap. Breathe out, away from the mouthpiece. Close your lips around the mouthpiece and take a deep breath in. Hold your breath after the dose. Breathe out slowly through your nose. Wipe the mouthpiece with a paper towel. Close the cap. When using your controller inhaler, rinse and spit or brush your teeth after each use to prevent infection. Use the dose counter to keep track of the medicine. Be sure to contact the pharmacy for a refill when the counter starts to get low.